Up next will be my memory keyer, my pick-based memory keyer. We'll talk about the insides, the outsides, and its function, and just what it's done for me. I love my memory keyer, and I'll tell you why. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. Oh, wait, hang on. Say bye, guys. Say see you later. Come back soon. Come back soon. I love you. He lets me act like that. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. Man, I was listening to a net, and the net control was a pretty loud signal. And this is the second time I've heard this happen, although not on this net, I assume. Um, Net control became discombobulated because he couldn't get Netlogger to work. He was getting discombobulated and didn't know what to do. He didn't know who came next in the lineup. and he passed off net control to somebody that had a working Netlogger. Hey, I've got a suggestion. If you're net control, here's how you keep track of who's next in the list. Hey, Blozo, would you mind going to QRZ.com and logging our contact? Answer, I would mind. I'm not going to do that. I don't have a laptop running in my computer in my ham shack. Oh, God, a Freudian slip in my computer shack? Oh, it's the funniest thing. I'm just sitting here looking at a picture of beneath my house because I've got to do a plumbing repair under there. I'm going to install a new pressure switch on my well pump to increase our house water pressure. I'm getting ready to do another video about the second most useful device I've ever had. But I had to talk about this first. What happens if either our government or another one takes our internet access away? Who are you going to talk to? You're not going to talk to anybody on your cell phone. Do you have a landline? No. Nobody does. Who are you going to talk to, man? You have no communications without your internet, do you? Well, you could talk to your neighbors, and I suggest you do. You might have to get to know them a little bit, or at least know who they are. Isn't that sad? That'd be a good thing. Or you could use your ham radio. Talk to people all over the world. Unless your ham radio depends on the internet, then it goes dark. I hope you're well. I hope you don't depend on the goddamn internet to have your ham radio fun. I'm starting to get shaky. That makes me mad. It's the saddest thing I've ever seen in my whole 50 years as a ham. 49 years, right? It's the saddest thing. People don't want to get to know one another anymore. They don't want to talk to one another. FT8 heads, now they just want to turn the robot loose and feel like they're real hams. There we go. There's some hate comment material. I didn't mean to go there. I just meant to have a chuckle at this net control that had to pass off his duties because Netlogger quit working. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye now.